Hi guys, welcome to ITPK. Today I will guide you how we can search by an image either from Android phone or iPhone. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is very useful what we will do today. You can find out about an image, what is that image, what is the detail of image and from where that image belongs to. To do this, we will use a Google apps called Google Lens. From your Android phone, please go to Play Store. If you have iPhone, please go to App Store. Once you are at Play Store or App Store, please search for Google here. Once you are in the Google app, let's go ahead and open the Google app. So once you are in Google, at right side beside the mic button in search bar, you can click on that camera icon. This will open the camera of your phone and you could go ahead and you could pick an image from your gallery. But here I'm not going to pick any image from my gallery. I want this Google Lens to get details for my this YouTube video thumbnail. So now let's focus on the thumbnail of my video and let's click on search. This will be going to search about my thumbnail of the video and you can see this brings up my thumbnail and YouTube video which see exact matches. When I click on here, this will take me directly to the information that this thumbnail is for my this YouTube video, and this will take me directly to the YouTube on my YouTube video. That's perfect. And one more thing, that if you have installed Google Lens in your mobile already, you can directly go to Google Lens and you can search from here as well. Let's go ahead and search it. And again we got the same results. So if you want to download Google Lens from the Play Store, let me show you that. Let me quickly show you. Let's go back, and here in the Play Store or App Store you have to type Google Lens. This will take you to the Google Lens. I already have installed Google Lens here. So that's it about today's simple, to the point and quality tutorial, that how to search by an image on Google using mobile phone either on Android or Apple. Please consider like and subscribe my channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Take care. Bye.